हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टेनो जोन आरजे। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे इस चैनल पर एसएससी और ईपीएफओ की प्रिपरेशन के रिगार्डिंग एक सीरीज चल रही है। उसी कड़ी में मैं आज एक और डिक्टेशन आप सभी के लिए लेकर आया हूं, जिसकी स्पीड होगी अराउंड 80 टू 85 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, जो कि फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ में होगी। इसी के साथ में मैं आपको ये भी बता देना चाहता हूँ कि ईपीएफओ की जो स्किल टेस्ट है उसकी डेट आ चुकी है, जो कि है 18 और 19 ऑफ नवंबर। तो आज से लेकर आपके एग्ज़ाम डेट तक आपको डेली एक डिक्टेशन मैं इसी चैनल पर अपलोड करूँगा। उस डिक्टेशन से संबंधित डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स का एक शॉर्ट भी इसी चैनल पर अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा, ताकि आपको डिक्टेशन को लिखने में कोई भी दिक्कत परेशानी ना हो। तो आइए डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं।
3, 2, 1, start. Some of the people who speak on behalf of the corporate sector say that the plan should have been cut down so that there cannot be need for further tax. Stop. Really, the technique of planning is that from year to year the plan outlay should go on increasing. Stop. The finance minister, I believe, has to an extent, probably reluctantly, cut down the outlay for the next year or the last year of the third 5-year plan. Stop. It has been cut down to almost 1000 crores. Stop. According to the planning technique, it should have been 2000 crores if they want to accelerate the development. Stop. That means that the plan outlay for the year 1966-67 is really about 500 crores less than what it should have been, and what more could be done. Stop. He has practically cut down the plan to a very bone. Stop. Anything further would have been disastrous. Stop. It would have created unemployment. Stop. It would have created avoidable hardships. Stop. Therefore, I think what has been done in this year's budget in order to study the economic situation is quite enough for the time being. Stop. Nothing further could have been done, and therefore I fully support the budget that has been placed before the House. Stop. Of course, there is one aspect to which I would like to invite the attention of the Honorable Finance Minister. Stop. The Food Minister and the Planning Commission have been laying very great stress on agricultural production. Stop. In that context, we have to consider whether this heavy duty on light diesel oil is a step in the right direction at all. Stop. Electricity is not available for lift irrigation. Stop. Most of the pumps available in the rural areas require diesel oil for irrigation. Stop. It was said that in order to conserve diesel oil and to check black marketing by the transport people, this heavy duty has been imposed. Stop. Assuming this to be true, we should bear in mind that side by side it also generates the progressive farmers who try to give you more food grains from raising a second or third crop, because this duty is fairly high. Stop. Therefore, my suggestion is, if you cannot take away the duty on light diesel oil, you can give some more grants to the states or subsidy to the agriculturists who are using the light diesel oil stop. That is the one suggestion that I would like to make. Stop. Para. One criticism that is frequently made when discussing the budget is that we should not import food grains from anywhere. Stop. Such criticism comes only from those who want to see in this country chaos and disturbances. Stop. If food is not available, then naturally rationing will have to come, and that too rationing all over the country, covering not less than 10 crores of families, is not practicable. Stop. If food is not available, then that will create throughout the country the scene which we have unfortunately seen with our own eyes during these few weeks.
तो ये थी हमारी आज की डिक्टेशन। होपफुली आपने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। इस डिक्टेशन से संबंधित जितने भी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं उनका एक शॉर्ट्स मैंने इसी चैनल पर अपलोड कर दिया है, आप उसे देखें, वो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। आपको अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, दोस्तों में शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।